This is the Vive Abduction Knee Pillow, the #1 way to stop dangerous leg crossing after surgery. After a hip replacement, your biggest enemy is poor alignment. Standard pillows shift and flatten, leaving your new joint vulnerable to dislocation and pain. Our wedge is ergonomically engineered to keep your legs in the perfect neutral position. It physically prevents leg crossing, reduces inflammation, and speeds up your healing process. Forget about sliding. The Vive wedge features a secure hook and loop strap that stays put all night. Plus, you can trim it to your exact size for a custom, snug fit that never pinches. This isn't a couch cushion. It's a firm, medical-grade, high-density foam that maintains its shape. It's lightweight enough to move, but stable enough to protect you during deep sleep. From the hospital bed to your wheelchair, and even on your first trip home, this travel-friendly wedge goes everywhere you do to ensure you're never without support. Maintenance is a breeze. The cover features a wipe-clean surface for daily spills, and the strap, 100% washable for total hygiene during your recovery. Don't leave your recovery to chance. Get the stability, safety, and comfort you deserve. Shop the Vive Abduction Knee Pillow today.